Okay guys, like if you don't have an external monitor, so there's also a way to connect to the Wi-Fi and set up your Raspberry Pi. So basically you need this RJ45 cable, or you can also call it Ethernet cable, Ethernet or whatever it is called. I'm sorry. So you just have to plug one end in the Raspberry Pi and another end into your like laptop or your CPU, whatever you are using. Uh, yeah. Okay, so it's plugged. So you just now you have to download one software called Putty. Putty. So download Putty. Download it here. No, no, no. Sorry, sorry. You have to like you can download Putty here. Just click here and choose your whatever you are. I have like Windows. You have to like 32-bit or 64-bit. Just click here and it will download, like it's of like 2.5 MB or like something of that only. Now once it's downloaded, just install it and just open Putty. Now here you have to write let me make it a little bigger. Okay, in the host name you have to write raspberry pi dot local. So I'm repeating it like again, like raspberry raspberry dot local, raspberry pi dot local, and it should be ssh only, and just open. Okay, like click open. So it will open a window and it will like it's a terminal, so it will ask you like what's the login as. So always remember, Raspberry Pi default ID and password is pi is the ID name and Raspberry Pi is the password. So I'm just typing pi as ID and the password is Raspberry Pi. See, it's already written here, Raspberry Pi. So this is the password, not the dot. Uh, So this is the password. Just press enter. Hmm, I think I have typed incorrectly. What? Raspberry. Oh, I'm sorry. Raspberry is the password, not Pi. Only like Raspberry, not the Pi. Only Raspberry, like Raspberry. So your default password will be Raspberry. Like if you connect or do something in like your Raspberry Pi, so if you ask for password, to always remember it's Raspberry, and your ID will be P Pi, only like Pi. Okay. So now if you came here, now you have to do like sudo apt dash get. So no, no, before that you just type sudo pi rasp rasp dash config. So type sudo rasp dash config. Mhm.